You can stream YouTube TV on a Chromecast Ultra for 4K content and smooth playback. Here's how to set it up step by step. Step 1. Plug your Chromecast Ultra into your TV's HDMI port and connect it to power. Step 2. Ensure your phone, tablet, or computer is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Chromecast Ultra. Step 3. Open the YouTube TV app on your device. Play any live channel, DVR recording, or on-demand content. Step 4. Tap the cast icon in the top right corner of the app and select your Chromecast Ultra from the list of available devices. Step 5. The video will now play on your TV via Chromecast Ultra. Use your device to control playback, volume, and navigation. Step 6. For 4K streaming, ensure the video quality is set to 4K in the video settings and your TV supports 4K resolution. Step 7. Restart your device and Chromecast Ultra if casting fails. Also, ensure your YouTube TV app and Chromecast firmware are updated for optimal performance. Using Chromecast Ultra allows you to enjoy YouTube TV in high resolution with minimal buffering and full control from your mobile device or computer. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.